Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Useful Stuff. In the previous video we have seen with column operations, and some of the operations on the with column are like renaming a column and adding a constant column. Now today we are going to see additional three that kind of operations. Now what are those three additional with column operations we are going to use is cast operation, with column with cast, and with column with regular expression, regular replace or anything. Now when we do practical you will be understanding. And with column with adding a new column and or making an changes to the existing column and creating a new column like that. So first, in order to proceed this, first we need to import the packages. I'll be doing it, and packages has been imported. Now I'll be creating a Spark session here. Session has been created. I am reading a data frame. Now let's see the output of that particular data frame. Now you can see the output has been shown on the screen. Now let's what we do is we'll be doing a cast operation. First, before doing that, let's see the data types of that particular data frame. In order to see the data types, first we need to do print schema. Data frame dot print schema. This is the syntax for print schema. You can see each and every column is string data type. So we can directly see like age is a number, it is an integer. So how to assign integer to a string? So in order to do this kind of operation, we have cast. Cast is a function. How to do is, let's store it as a new data frame, df1 data frame dot with the column. On what column we are going to use that particular operation? On age. Now data frame age dot cast. On what kind of data type we have to pass? We can pass it float or double or integer based on your requirement. I am passing it here as integer. Let's execute this. Now this data frame has been created and data type has been changed. Let's see by showing the schema. Now you can see age column, previously it was string. After doing a cast operation using with column, now column data type has been changed. This is how you will be using cast operation using with column. Now similarly we'll do column manipulations using with column. Previously we have added a lit operation and created a constant column, right? Similar to that we'll be doing different operation. Let's copy this. Instead of, we can reuse this. So I am creating a new data frame df2 dot with column. Now what we'll do is, in the age column we have 22, 33, 56, 48 values, right? So on that particular column only we want to do any arithmetic operations. We'll remove this cast, it is not required. So what we'll do is, if there is a requirement to multiply it with anything. So let's say I got not only age, for example I am doing, so that might be crossing 100, it's not possible. So let's do it as into 8 or anything, into 3, something you can take it. I am doing operation like on particular column I am adding in a existing column only I am making arithmetic operation. Let's do this. I am executing this. Now df2 dot, if you see the output, now existing column got multiplied with 3. We can do it in another way as well. For example, now what we have done is, on the same column we have manipulated it, and on the same column we are storing it. But if the requirement is like they want new column only, so how to do that is, copy this, paste it here. Instead of age you can pass new age or multiplied age. Multiplied age. Let's execute this and show it. This is when you will come to know Yeah, new column has been arrived. There won't be any changes to the existing column, but new columns with the multiplied thing you will be getting. This is how you will be making of manipulations on new columns using with the column or an existing column. Now as I told, I'll be seeing 3 with column operations, right? Another thing is regular replace. So now if you observe the data frame what we have, we'll see here itself. This is the basic data frame. In this we have special character. Wantedly I have given this. So in order to remove this, and actually the state is Telangana, spelling has to be A. Instead of this it is at the rate. So how to replace the characters in a string, those kind of requirement can be achieved by using regular expressions. So how to do this is, we'll create a new data frame dot data frame dot with column. On what column we need to do, we need to change that character is, we have to give it and we have to pass it. Before this we need to import that regular. Let me cross check the function name. Before using it, what you need to do is import it. We need to import it, otherwise it will show an error like not found. So this is the regular replace function, and regular replace function, and how to do that is regular replace and open the brace data frame column comma, and what is the character which you want to find, you need to provide it here, that is at the rate, and by which you want to replace it. I want to replace it with A. So let's execute, let's cross check it whether the braces has been closed properly. It requires another one. Now it has been executed. Let's see the output. Now you can see previously here it was at the rate, but after doing a regular replace operation based on this particular column, it has been changed, replaced with A. If you pass it any variable, any character, it will execute no matter HG. So similar to that, whenever there are for data cleansing operation, this kind of regular expression, regular replace, you can do these kind of operations, and you can achieve your requirement. So this comes very handy in your project things, and if you can explore the regular expression usages, you can enhance this a lot. This is very good and very handy function. So this is how the 3 of the with column operations today what we have seen. I hope you like this. Hope this might be helpful in your project, and thanks. And we'll come up with other operations in the coming classes. Thank you.